Hey guys, I'm Felix and I'm the funny guy from YouTube who tells you funny Chinese translations, and that's what I'm about to do again today. These specifically will be food translations because in Chinese, well, the literal translations, let's just call them a little bit weird. Let's start off today with the word broccoli. Broccoli in Chinese, literally translated, it would be 西兰花, and that would translate to 西 west, 兰花 would be a orchid. So a western orchid, that is a broccoli. I'm not really here to tell you why it means that, I'm just here to tell you that it means that. And that's the simple job that I have, being a teacher, not a researcher. So 西兰花 would be a broccoli, western orchid. There'll be many more moments throughout this video where I don't really know why, so please let me in if you have any theories as to why these words mean what they mean. Now it's quite funny because the word for cucumber literally means yellow melon. Why is that then? First of all, we can pronounce it. It would be 黄瓜, 黄瓜. That is actually because the Chinese native cucumbers are all yellow. So the word yellow melon here in this case actually describes all types of cucumbers, including the traditional green one. So 黄瓜 is cucumber in Chinese. The next one here is 土豆. This one actually makes a lot of sense. I wouldn't necessarily call it haha funny, simply haha, oh, that makes so much sense, haha. Okay, so 土 meaning earth, 豆 meaning bean, and this actually comes to potato. Now if we stick to this 豆, which means a bean, and we make it rotten instead, then we actually have tofu. And the word tofu actually originates from the word in Chinese, which would be 豆腐. 豆腐. So fu, again meaning fermented, or we can simply just call it rotten. So if you have a rotten bean, then that is what tofu is, or tofu is. So it's rotten beans, 豆腐, 豆腐. Now I suggest that you start going to, whenever you go to a Chinese restaurant now next time, or whenever you're talking about tofu in general, never call it tofu again, start saying 豆腐, because we like when you're pretentious. If you think you learned something or just enjoy this video, remember to leave a little thumbs up or two or three, whatever is possible, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.